Looking to add a splash of color and comfort to your outdoor space? The Make It Rain Zinnia pillows offer just that, blending vibrant design with weather-resistant durability. Crafted from 100% T-spun polyester, these pillows resist fading even under intense sunlight, making them ideal for patios, porches, or any indoor nook that needs a fresh pop of style. What sets these pillows apart is their thoughtful construction. Each pillow is filled with plush 100% polyester fiber, providing a soft yet supportive feel that holds up over time. The edges are neatly trimmed with matching fabric and cord, ensuring they sit perfectly on your outdoor furniture without slipping or losing shape. Plus, they're handcrafted in the USA at Pillow Perfect's Woodstock, GA facility, where every step, from cutting to filling, is handled with care by skilled employees. The Make It Rain Zinnia pattern is inspired by raindrops, featuring a lively mix of pink, green, blue, yellow, and orange brush strokes. This bold palette instantly brightens any space and pairs effortlessly with other Pillow Perfect patterns and solids. Measuring 18.5 inches by 11.5 inches with a 5-inch depth, these pillows fit smaller chairs beautifully, such as folding or kitchen chairs, rather than large deck furniture. Their size makes them versatile for various seating options, but keep in mind they're more compact than some expect. Caring for these pillows is simple. Just spot clean with mild detergent and cool water, then air dry to keep them looking fresh season after season. Their easy maintenance combined with weather-resistant fabric means you spend less time worrying about wear and more time enjoying your outdoor oasis. If you're searching for decorative pillows that deliver both style and resilience, the Make It Rain Zinnia set is worth a look. They bring vibrant color, comfortable support, and dependable quality, all made right here in the USA. Try them when you're ready to refresh your space with a product that stands up to the elements and elevates your home's vibe.